Honeydew's nighttime cough. It was bedtime in Honeydew's room. The stars twinkled softly outside, and everything felt still and peaceful.
Good night, Teddy. Good night, stars. Oh no, not tonight. What if it doesn't stop? Who said that? What if you stay awake all night? What if your chest feels funny? What if something is wrong? I don't like coughing at night. It makes everything feel bigger and scarier.
Sometimes, when our bodies make noises in the dark, our worries get louder too. Coughs might feel louder at night because everything is quiet.
Wait, I remember something. My cough isn't trying to scare me. Sometimes my asthma can make my throat or chest feel tickly at night. It's my body's way of protecting me. Protecting you? Yes. Sometimes when my throat feels dry or tickly, my body coughs to clear it out.
Coughing is one of the ways our bodies keep our airways clean and safe.
Oh. And I have tools to help when I feel worried.
Honeydew remembered the nighttime plan.
Let's breathe together. In through my nose. Out through my mouth.
Slow breathing helps our bodies relax.
My water on my bedside table will help to clear my throat. That feels better already. It also helps to think positive thoughts. I am brave. I am safe. My body is trying to protect me. And if I need help, a grown-up is close by. So, you don't have to handle it alone? Nope.
Sometimes nighttime worries grow because everything is quiet. But quiet doesn't mean alone.
If my cough keeps bothering me, I can call Mom or Dad. And that's okay? Of course. Asking for help is brave.
If coughing happens a lot, hurts your chest, makes it hard to breathe, or keeps you from sleeping, it's important to tell a grown-up.
Maybe I was just trying to remind you to take care of yourself. Thanks, but I've got it from here. Okay, I can rest now.
Honeydew took one more slow breath.
In and out.
And with her tools, her calm thoughts, and the knowledge that help was nearby, Honeydew drifted off to sleep. Nighttime coughs can feel big, but you are not alone.